What's good, my sizers? We're back again with another video, and today we're gonna check out what a 1-bedroom suite in the Silver Tower at Luxor looks like. So let's get into it. All right, so when you first walk in, you're walking down this long hallway. You're greeted by the living room section. You have a sofa and 2 chairs, and then you have your desk here on the left-hand side. And then if you keep walking, you're entered with the kitchen area because you have the bar section here, a small table here on the right, and then behind this bar section, you have a nice countertop with cabinets and drawers that are fully functional. And of course, with this suite, you have a refrigerator that you can fill up yourself and not get charged for using it. And then you also have a coffee maker, and then of course some hand soap and body lotion. Walking into the bedroom portion, you have 1 bed, the TV here on the left-hand side. Keep walking left. This is the bathroom. It is double sinked. And then the toilet is here on the right. To the left, straight ahead, you have the shower and a bathtub. There we go. You have the shower and the bathtub and all of your towels and necessities right there. And then the cool thing too is behind this bathroom door is a small vanity. Alrighty, now I don't know what's in these doors, so let's find out. Okay, you have a closet with the safe and the luggage rack down here at the bottom. And then the door behind me, oh, another closet, cool. Except this one has your ironing board and your iron. All right, now let's go check out the view. I will say it is quite cloudy out, so the view might not be so great. If we look outside, we can see Excalibur, MGM Grand, what used to be the Tropicana. And then we can also see the airport. There, if we look to the right, this is where the airport is. Let's see the other view from the kitchen, if that's any different. No, just a better view of the airport. All right, you guys, if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys have ever stayed in the Silver Towers. I kind of prefer them. I think that they're nicer. Granted, they are the more renovated ones. And if you guys do decide to stay here, let me know down in the comments too. And be sure to smash that subscribe button down there while you're at it. Toodles!